Hello friends, today I am going to start with exercise 2.2, question number 3 multiply. And the first sum is 20 into 4 upon 5. Multiplication of fraction, we cut the numbers one from numerator, one from denominator, and you can take different combinations. So I can cut here 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Now at last I will multiply numerator with numerator. 16 upon 1. We are not writing 1 in denominator. So the answer is 16. Your next sum again you can cut 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Again multiply numerator with numerator 9 upon 1. We don't write 1 in denominator. Again 5 ones are 5. I think I have copied the same sum again. So let me make some changes over here. It's 13 into 1 by 3. Okay. Here we can't cut any number, one from numerator, one from denominator. So what we will do? We will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is greater, so we will convert into mixed fraction. Beside table of 9, 3 4s are 12 is to 1 by 3. Next sum, again you can see that here you cannot cut any number. So again multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Since your numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. Beside table of 7, 7 6 are 42 and 2 upon 7. 6 is to 2 upon 7. Next question is find. What is the meaning of half of 24? Of means actually this is multiplication of fraction. Way of asking is different. We are doing the same thing. 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are 24. So the answer is 12. Next one again we can replace of with multiplication in the second step. Again we can cut here number 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27. So multiply numerator with numerator, that is 18. Next question again, next step you can replace of with multiplication. Cut the numbers, always one from numerator, one from denominator. So 9 threes are 27. Again we will replace of with multiplication sign. So 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Multiply numerator with numerator, 7 fours are 28. Now my next question is question number 6. Multiply. So the first question in question number 6, I am taking the D sum. 4 into 6 is to 1 by 3. 1 is mixed fraction, so we will convert into improper fraction. 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19 upon 4. So 19 upon 3. So here can we cut one number from numerator, one number from denominator? Can we convert into simplest form? No. So we will multiply numerator with numerator. So 76 upon 3. Now we will convert into mixed fraction and this will give you 25 is to 1 by 3. Let me take one more example. A number sum. 3 is to 1 by 4 into 6. Again one mixed fraction is there, so we will convert into improper fraction. 4 threes are 12 plus 1 13 upon 4 into 6. Here can we cut any two numbers, one from numerator, one from denominator. So yes, we can cut 6 and 4. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator. So 39 upon 2. Since your numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. So mixed fraction will be 19 is to 1 by 2. This question already I have explained you when I explained the video how to multiply the fractions. Okay. So let me take one more F number sum. 3 is to 2 upon 5 into 8. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 into 8. Again can you cut the numbers over here? No. So we will multiply 17 8 are 136 upon 5. Now since your numerator is greater, you will convert into mixed fraction and your answer will be 27:1/5. This is the way we solve multiplication of fraction. Now we will go for the next question. That is question number 7. I will take here first sum, half of 4:2/9. Okay. So again, of we will convert into multiplication. Meaning of is multiplication sign. 4, 9 4s are 36 plus 2, 38/9. So here can we cut the numbers? Yes. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So the next number will be 19/9. So we will convert this into mixed fraction. 9 2s are 18. So 2:1/9 is the answer. Same thing we are doing again and again. So exercise 2.2 is over. Now we will start with exercise 2.3. The first question is question number 1. Find half of 4/3. So again, of we will change with the multiplication sign, and you can see that we can cut the number. So answer is 2/3. Now let me take one more question. 1/7 of 3/10. So again, this of we will write multiplication sign, and here you can see that we cannot cut any number, one from numerator, one from denominator. So we will multiply numerator with numerator. So 3 and 7 into 10 will give you 70. Numerator is smaller, so this is the answer. Next question is again multiply. So the fifth one I am taking is 1/3 into 5/8. Sorry, 15/8. So here we can cut the number. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 5/8. Let me take one more sum from question number 6. That is 11/2 multiplied by 3/10. So here we cannot cut any number, one from numerator, one from denominator. I told you we cannot cut 2 and 10 because both the numbers are in denominator. So 11 3s are 33 upon 2 10s are 20. Now your numerator is greater, so convert into mixed fraction. 1:13/20. Still, if you have any doubt how to convert into mixed fraction, improper fraction, please see my video where I have explained you this. So now we will go for next question, question number 3. Again, your question number 3 is multiply. So sixth sum here I am taking, that is 2:3/5 multiplied by 2. Since this is mixed fraction, we will convert into improper fraction. Sorry, this is 3. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13/5 into 3. Again, we cannot cut the number, so multiply numerator with numerator. 39/5 and then convert into mixed fraction. So you will get 7:4/5. Let me take one more question. Seventh sum of question number 3. This is 3:4/7 into 3/5. So convert into improper fraction. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 25/7 into 3/5. Here we can cut the number. So now 15/7 and now convert into mixed fraction. 7 2s are 14. So 2:1/7. Now the last question of this exercise, that is fifth number sum. Here this is given 4 plants are planted. Okay, so let me draw 4 plants. Okay, these are the 4 plants. And the distance between 2 adjacent plants means nearby plants. So this distance is given 3 by 4 meter. So this is also 3 by 4, this is also 3 by 4, and you are supposed to find out the distance between the first and the last. So this distance you are supposed to find out. Okay, so let us write down the statement. Distance between 2 plants. Distance between 2 plants. Here it is given 3 upon 4 meter. And you need to find therefore distance between first and last plant. So how to find? How many times? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So this is equal to 3 times of 3 upon 4. You cannot multiply, you cannot cut the number, so multiply numerator with numerator 9 upon 4. Since numerator is greater, convert into mixed fraction. So 2 is to 1 by 4. Again unit is given, so writing unit is compulsory, and then we write answer in full sentence. So the distance between first and the last plant is 2 is to 1 by 4 meter. Thank you so much for watching today's video.